All right, welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about a piece of tech that tackles a problem pretty much all of us have had. It's an AI that can take our blurry, pixelated, and, let's be honest, just awful photos and somehow make them look amazing. So, let's get right into it.
You know the feeling, right? You track down that one perfect photo. Maybe it's a precious family memory or the exact image you need for a project, but it's just low quality. It's one of the most common and frustrating things about our digital lives.
So, what do? You try to make it bigger, right? You drag the corner to scale it up, and you get this a blocky, fuzzy disaster that's just completely useless. See, normal software just stretches the pixels that are already there, which is why it always looks so bad.
Okay, but what if instead of just stretching those old pixels, you could intelligently create brand new ones to fill in the gaps? Well, that's where we move from a simple, annoying problem to a really fascinating AI solution. This is where we get into the magic of super resolution.
So, what is AI super resolution really? It's not just about making a picture bigger, it's about making it smarter. The AI actually looks at the image, it understands the context of what it's seeing, things like textures, edges, what a human face looks like, and then it generates brand new, totally fresh pixels to fill in all the missing details. The result is a sharp, clean, high resolution image that looks like it was shot that way in the first place. You know, the term they actually use for this in the AI world is hallucination, which honestly is the perfect word for it. The AI is essentially imagining the detail that it thinks should be there, based on its training from looking at millions and millions of other photos. So it's not just math, it's almost like a creative act of reconstruction. So the tool that actually lets you do all this amazing stuff is called Let's Enhance. It's a web-based platform, and just a little backstory, it was actually founded in Kyiv, Ukraine, way back in 2017. Their whole goal was to take this really complex AI tech and make it super simple for anyone to use. But here's the thing. Let's Enhance is way more than just a one-trick pony for upscaling. It's like a whole toolkit for fixing your photos. So yeah, you've got the upscaling, but it also has this whole suite of other tools. It can restore images that have been ruined by compression, removing those ugly blocky things you see on compressed images. It can also automatically tweak the lighting and fix weird colors. And it has a really powerful feature designed specifically for improving faces. And when we talk about upscaling, the power here is just huge. We're not talking about a tiny little boost in size. You can enlarge an image up to 16 times its original resolution. I mean, think about that. That's taking a tiny little thumbnail and making it big enough to print out as a poster. Wild. Okay, let's zoom in on that face enhancement feature for a second, because this is where things get really interesting, and where it comes with a pretty big warning. This is when the AI finds a face in a photo, even a super blurry one in the background, and completely reconstructs it to look sharp and clear. And this is super important to understand. Because the AI is hallucinating those details, it might literally invent facial features that were not in the original photo. So you should absolutely never use this for something serious, like identifying a suspect from a security camera. The person it creates might look real, but they might not be the actual person. It's a guess, not a fact. All right, so with that big warning out of the way, how does this thing actually work? Is it super complicated? Nope. The good news is they made it incredibly easy. Seriously, the whole process is dead simple. You just drag and drop your image right into your web browser. You pick what you want to do, say a 4x upscale and some color correction. You hit the Start Processing button, and their powerful cloud servers do all the heavy lifting. A few moments later, you just download your finished enhanced photo. Best of all, no software to install, and it doesn't matter if your computer's old or slow. Okay, so whenever you're talking about an online tool, there are always two big questions that pop up, right? How much does it cost, and is my data safe? Let's get into that. Well, first things first, the best part, you can try it out for free. Every new user gets 10 free credits to play around with the service. That's enough to enhance about 10 different images, so you can really see for yourself if you like the results. And if you like it and want to keep using it, it works on a credit system. For people who use it a lot, a monthly subscription is definitely the cheapest way to go. But if you just have a one-time project, they also have pay-as-you-go credit packs you can buy. And on the privacy front, look, according to their policy, they seem to take it pretty seriously. They automatically delete any photos you upload from their servers after 6 months, and they make it very clear that they never ever sell your images or your data to anybody else. Okay, so let's wrap this all up. The big question is, who is this tool actually for? Should you use it? Honestly, the list is pretty long. Think about artists or designers who sell their work online and need super high-res files, or real estate agents trying to make their property photos look incredible. And of course, it's an amazing tool for any of us who just want to rescue those old, blurry family photos from a shoebox and bring them back to life. So, how does it stack up against the competition? Its main rival is a tool called Topaz Photo AI. And really, the choice between them comes down to one thing: convenience versus control. Let's Enhance is all about convenience. It's in the cloud, it works on any computer, it's super easy. Topaz is desktop software you buy once and install. It gives you a lot more manual control over the edits, but you really need a powerful computer to run it well. So I want to leave you with this one final thought. Tools like Let's Enhance are giving us the power to literally fix our own visual history, to make it sharper, clearer, and more perfect than it ever actually was. And that brings up a really interesting question. As AI starts to reconstruct our digital past, how does that change our own memory of what was real? Something to think about. All right, that's all for this one. Thanks for tuning in.